Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Binance voucher. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified, as this is a prerequisite for accessing most features and promotions. Once logged in, you will need to navigate to the Reward Center, which is typically found under your profile icon or in the main menu. Here, you can view any vouchers you have received, such as cashback or trading fee rebates. It's a straightforward process to find your eligible rewards. Binance offers a variety of vouchers, each designed to provide different benefits. You might find cashback vouchers, which give you a certain amount back in your wallet, or trading fee rebate vouchers, reducing your transaction costs. It is crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions for each voucher. Pay close attention to the expiration date and any specific requirements for redemption, ensuring you use them before they become invalid. To redeem your voucher, simply select the one you wish to use from your reward center and click the Redeem button. Some vouchers might require you to complete a specific action, such as making a trade of a certain volume, before the benefits are applied. Always read the instructions carefully. After confirming, the voucher's benefits, like a 5% trading fee rebate, will be activated and reflected in your account. To make the most of your Binance vouchers, it is a good practice to regularly check your reward center for new opportunities. Vouchers often have limited validity periods, so be sure to redeem and use them promptly to avoid missing out. Remember that some vouchers might have specific usage limits or require a minimum transaction amount to be eligible. Staying informed helps you maximize your rewards and enhance your trading experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.